मेरा रायबरेली से और वायनाड से इमोशनल कनेक्शन है। पिछले 5 सालों में मैं वायनाड का एमपी था और वायनाड के सब लोगों ने, हर पार्टी के लोगों ने प्यार दिया, तो उसके लिए मैं दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं और पूरी ज़िंदगी उसको याद रखूंगा। प्रियंका वायनाड से चुनाव लड़ेगी, मगर मैं भी पीरियोडिकली वायनाड जाऊंगा और जो वायदे हमने वायनाड को किए थे उनको हम पूरा करेंगे। रायबरेली का पुराना रिश्ता है, काफ़ी खुशी हो रही है कि मैं उनको फिर से रिप्रेजेंट करूंगा, मगर आसान निर्णय नहीं था, मुश्किल निर्णय था क्योंकि जुड़ाव दोनों के साथ है। सो I have an emotional relationship with both Raebareli and the people of Wayanad. And the last 5 years as Member of Parliament of Wayanad have been a fantastic experience, a very enjoyable experience. The people of Wayanad stood with me. The people of Wayanad gave me love and affection. Every single person, regardless of party, they gave me support, love and affection. They gave me energy to fight in a very difficult time. So I will never forget that. I want everyone in Wayanad to know that Priyanka is going to fight the election in Wayanad, but I am going to be a frequent visitor to Wayanad, and I am going to be available to the people of Wayanad, and the commitments that I have made, we will stand by them and we will try and deliver all those commitments. She's going to fight the election. I'm confident she's going to win the election, and she's going to be a very good representative for the people of Wayanad. People of Wayanad can think about it like this. You have now 2 members of parliament. One is my sister and one is me. And my doors are always open for you throughout the rest of my life. And I love every single person in Wayanad. Thank you.